So you need to sit straight, preferably on a floor. If you are not on the floor, then touch the feet on the floor, because I see some of y'all are sitting on chairs. I am myself sitting on a chair. So that's fine. Just touch your feet on the floor and just sit straight. Your back has to be straight if possible. If your health permits, then that's the best way to receive. Close your eyes and experience what I'm doing here. Yeah. So I'll give you a minute to settle down. Yeah. So settle down. Have your feet on the ground, or if possible, sit on the ground. And let's set the intent for this healing. All the negative emotions in your body are melting away, and it's getting replaced with love and light. Okay? Let's feel that. Let's feel all the negativity going off and replace it with love and light. Yeah. Just close your eyes and receive. So how are you feeling? You can open your eyes and tell me. Maybe you can type on the Telegram chat and Neelu can probably help me.
That was super fast, Neha.
I mean, I don't know if you all noticed, but for people who had their eyes open, you would have seen that it was circling and suddenly it started aligning the energy. and it stopped. So that's when I knew that, okay, the work is done.
We did have you spotlighted, but we would have had our eyes closed also, so we'll all be on the replay and catch it.
Probably in the recap or something, if you notice, you'll be able to see the, pendulum movement and realize what I'm talking about. So I
Right.
was also
And
not expecting it to be so quick. I was amazed at the speed at which, it cleansed and it aligned. So anybody wants to share the feedback on how they are feeling?
it's already pouring in. Seema says feeling calmer. Harish says feeling very relaxed and relaxing. Grateful for this. Ravi says kept my palms in receiving mode. Excuse me, and had a tingling sensation in my palms. Relaxed. Seema said calmer, grounded. Vinita says, yes, felt the energy and feeling a bit light. And Satish also says, yawning. So fabulous responses. Everybody has had reactions, responses. Everybody's had to it. Lotus says, felt tingling in my head, heat in my spine. Fabro says, feeling nice, relaxed, gratitude. This is so nice. And what, 2 minutes? Two and a
Yeah,
half,
I was
3 minutes?
also amazed at the speed at which it just, completed. I thought it's a bigger group. It may take a little longer, but
Right. Because, it was off for me. All I know I heard your voice. I said, to finish so quickly. How did that happen?
yeah.
Bobby says, slept.
Slept. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
please wake up.
So dozed off. No, he's very much awake. He's right here on video. I can see him. But that, that eyes shutting must
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
eyes
It's
shut
because the
will,
body is relaxing.
right.
And for people who doze off during healings, when some of my clients come, in person, they are the best receivers, because they don't have anything at all to, block the receiving. They just doze off.
Right.